Ford F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for decades, and for good reason. It's powerful, comfortable, and built to handle almost anything owners throw at it. But behind that reputation, one transmission has quietly become one of the most controversial components Ford has ever put into a truck. And for thousands of owners, what starts as a small hesitation or strange shift eventually turns into repair bills that can exceed $4,000. The worst part is that many drivers don't even realize there's a problem until the symptoms become impossible to ignore. Today, we're breaking down why the Ford 10R80 transmission has become such a headache for so many owners, what causes these failures, and most importantly, what you can do to avoid becoming the next person facing a massive repair bill. When Ford introduced the 10R80 transmission, it sounded like the future of truck performance. Developed together with General Motors, the 10-speed automatic promised faster shifts, improved fuel economy, better towing capability, and smoother operation. On paper, everything looked perfect. More gears meant the engine could stay in its ideal power range more often, helping improve both performance and efficiency. Buyers loved the idea, and millions of F-150 owners eventually ended up with this transmission. But after years of real-world use, many drivers began reporting strange behaviors that were difficult to ignore. Hard shifts, sudden jerks, hesitation, clunking noises, delayed engagement, and even complete transmission failures started appearing across owner forums and repair shops. One of the most common complaints involves harsh shifting between lower gears. Owners often describe the truck feeling like it was rear-ended when accelerating from a stop or coming to a complete stop. Some drivers experience violent downshifts while slowing down, creating an unsettling sensation that something is seriously wrong. Others report hesitation when pressing the accelerator, followed by a sudden surge of power. These symptoms can appear randomly, making the issue even more frustrating because it becomes difficult to predict when the truck will behave normally and when it won't. At the center of many of these complaints is the valve body and the transmission's adaptive learning system. Modern transmissions rely heavily on software to determine shift, timing, and pressure. The 10R80 constantly learns driving habits and adjusts itself over time. In theory, this should improve performance. In reality, however, some trucks seem to learn bad behaviors. As mileage increases, these adaptive values can create rough shifts and inconsistent operation. While software updates have improved some cases, many owners find that the problem eventually returns. Another major contributor to failure involves the CDF drum. This component has become infamous among mechanics familiar with the 10R80, where inside this area can lead to slipping, delayed shifts, and severe internal damage. Once the problem progresses, repairs become expensive because the transmission often has to be removed and partially rebuilt. In severe cases, complete replacement may be necessary. That is where repair bills start climbing quickly. Heat also plays a major role. Towing heavy loads, aggressive driving, and stop-and-go traffic generates significant temperatures inside the transmission. Over time, excessive heat breaks down transmission fluid, reducing its ability to protect internal components. Unfortunately, many owners assume transmission fluid lasts forever because service intervals are so long. By the time symptoms appear, internal wear has often already begun. And then comes the financial shock. Repair costs can easily reach $4,000 or more. Complete replacements can push costs much higher depending on labor and location. For some owners, the repair bill becomes large enough that they seriously consider trading the truck rather than fixing it. Considering the F-150's reputation for reliability, many drivers are caught completely off guard when faced with these kinds of expenses. Fortunately, not every 10R80 is destined to fail. Many owners drive hundreds of thousands of miles without major problems. Maintenance and driving style play a huge role. Frequent fluid changes, especially every 30 to 50,000 miles, can significantly improve longevity. Using high-quality fluid and avoiding excessive heat buildup also helps reduce wear. Drivers who tow frequently may benefit from additional cooling solutions to keep temperatures under control. Software updates from Ford have improved shift quality for many owners. Resetting adaptive learning values can sometimes eliminate harsh behavior temporarily, though this is not always a permanent solution. Catching symptoms early is critical because minor issues are much easier and cheaper to address before serious internal damage occurs. The most important warning signs include harsh shifting, delayed engagement when putting the truck into drive, random clunking noises, slipping during acceleration, and unusual hesitation. Ignoring these symptoms only increases the likelihood of larger repair bills later. Just because the truck still drives does not mean the problem is harmless. What makes the situation frustrating is that the rest of the F-150 remains an outstanding truck. Owners love the engines, comfort, towing ability, and technology. But when the transmission begins acting up, it affects every mile behind the wheel. A great truck suddenly becomes stressful to drive because you're constantly wondering whether the next hard shift will turn into a much bigger problem. The truth is that the 10R80 isn't necessarily a terrible transmission. It is a very advanced design capable of excellent performance when everything works correctly. But its complexity means small issues can quickly become expensive ones. And that's why so many owners are paying thousands for a problem they never expected. Understanding the warning signs, staying ahead of maintenance, and addressing problems early may be the difference between enjoying years of trouble-free ownership and facing one of the most expensive repairs a truck owner can experience. If you own a Ford F-150 equipped with a 10R80 transmission, don't panic. Not every truck will suffer major failures, and many owners continue to drive these trucks for years without serious issues. But awareness is your biggest advantage. Pay attention to the warning signs, stay on top of maintenance, and never ignore unusual shifting behavior. A small problem caught early can save thousands later. And if you're considering buying a used F-150, understanding the 10R80 transmission could be one of the smartest decisions you make. Because sometimes the most expensive repairs aren't caused by what you know about your truck, but by what you don't.